doggy? That's letter X. Why are you hopping?
Mama,
Come on. You don't want to see the sunset? The sunset is very nice sunset here. Tanaw ang sunset biyo, nice kayo bino. It's a very nice sunset. Wow. Wow. Ah. Look at, napay fisherman, oh. You don't want? The fisherman who is there, oh. He is fishing. Let's go na. What we're gonna buy at Piang Piang store? Oh, you don't know, but you want to buy. Let's go. You go first.
now you go first.
You go. Let's go. Here. Hello, doggy. The dog go first. Then you go next to the dog. Oh. Uli na si Sarpy. Uy. Wapit mi sa tindahan. You wanna buy something, no? Oh, where you going? Kaya kay dili no, nami agian ng balay. Agi lang mi. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, little doggy. Agi lang mi. Maday ka diha? Ano sa surfing? Are you surfing? What? Sige, you go there. Diha ta maagi. Nganong diha magkaganhan mo agi? Oh, ang tao ang kahoy o kaya ngiyahang sanga nasa ubusti oh.
Mama, I'm uto.
Oh, you're utot again. You keep on utot.
Yes.
Why you like so much to utot?
My phone.
You have a funny sound in your utot. Poop, 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 poop.
This one.
Unsa may ngalan na nga kindi? Ha? Kana imo ha? Unsa pa man?
I'm gonna pick one.
Basta man na imo ipik.
Well, I ate it last night because it was jellies. It's the warm jellies.
Warm jelly, warm gummies. Tagpila na gummies. Oh, napay 5 isa na kabuok. Isod na na diri ba?
Mama.
Wow. Isod na tanan. You like it na? Let's go na. Are you done? What? Why are you backwards?
Because it's so fun. Because pink is for everyone.
Oh my God! Watch out!
It's just a thing.
Well, let's go home na. Bye. Let's go home.
Mama, nice playing.